begin. Quick coffee first, and then we're going in. Yes, a little Rensport 911. That is just lovely. These are cool, aren't they? Little rear-engined. I thought it was the Renault version, but it's the Skoda version. Oh, nice. Back in the day, who would have wanted one in brown? Poo brown. But now, looks kind of cool. Gentleman's Express in two-tone, poo brown. Rubber front wings. That's because it's the Royal Mail in case they bounce off anything. I do like the opening front window. My Spider look like it's all in one piece.
No.
Now there is a theme here. I'm going to have to stop filming brown cars. Made it into the auction hall for possible purchases. Don't know if that's going to be me or Dave at this stage. But great pieces of kit here. This single owner from new. But look how scary that engine looks. I'm not sure Gary T Garage could cope with that, that's for sure. Getting my head round one of these. I did have a 355 back in the day. Sold it because these were coming out because I thought it looked like a Mondeo. I know, I'm sorry. But this is, as my friend has just said, a 20-footer because it's got that on the other side as well. Unfortunately got the F1 gearbox in it. I had one manual, barely flappy pedals, but looks very warm, doesn't it? Yeah, definitely not a bit of me, that. Oh, in the green. Do like those boxes though. I like the gear lever on those. Had one of these back in the day in Guards Red. Cost me £2.5 to service it 20 odd years ago. Bought myself an M Sport one of these for my Christmas present. Fancy one of these, but this has done 120,000 miles, which is not a bit of me. Just I think that's a mechanical problem waiting to happen. Friend, this is what he does. Any car he wants to check if there's any rust underneath. But I do fancy an XJS, so this is possibly a bit new, and I don't want a convertible one. These are good, although I don't want one. I think they're again a bit too mechanically much of a problem for me because I haven't got that amount of skill. I haven't got any skill, I'm only learning, but anyway. These are a good piece of kit. Again, not sure I want one. Oh, do like Joy 99 though. Let's just show you Joy 99. Oh, if that's a real number, that's a good number. But they're cute, aren't they? That definitely could be on the list. Do like a load of trouble, usually serious, aka Lotus. Yeah, probably a recipe for disaster, but little turbo, nice colour combo. TVR looks a weapon, but not sure I want one of those. Is that Super Sport? Let's have a look. It is a Super Sport. Yeah, even better. That would take my box even more. Super Sport. These back in the day are 4x4 in red. This one is got the wrong spoiler on the back. I remember trying to go around a corner. Well, I got round a corner at sort of 80 miles an hour. That I didn't expect that corner to be quite so big. Ooh, got leather in this. Mine didn't have leather. But that 4x4 really did stick to the road. Very rare old car. I remember I had one of these back in the day. 1600E. Just looks like a normal Ford Orion, but it's got skin in it, aka leather. And then RS2. Mexico's lovely. Local hull number, no less. I'm not sure it's 50,000 miles, and I'm sure it's going to go more than 30-35 grand estimate, to be honest. Yeah, which one? The RS2 is not wonderful, is it, with the Webasto in it? It does have the fishnets, obviously. The largest car in the building. We have found the smallest man in the building.
Double glazing.
Look at the double glazing and look inside of the telephone. Look. Yeah, the smallest man in the building definitely needs this for his collection. What say you, Dave?
No.
I don't think I've ever seen one of these in black. I nearly bought one while I was on a ski trip, to be honest. Not that there was a place, it was an online thing, you know. Anyway, I reckon this is American spec. because of that backlight. But maybe even know if this colour is of the period. I mean, it looks lovely. Described as concourse level 1600 GT. Yeah, that's just, it is absolutely lovely. Next to the RS Turbo with standard big bore exhaust. Would rather have one of these RS Turbos. Can't remember how many they made of these. Was it 5,000? The second biggest car of the show. Smallest man in the show. He wants one of these. He just I've tried to get him one. I've tried with him. He would look absolutely great in it, but there he goes. Another big car. So as we move around, even more entertainment. But this is lovely. Done 150,000 miles, but looks lovely. And as my learned friend has just said, an SD1. All the nostalgia, because my father had 3 of these. Early car this. Got the nice binnacle dashboard on it. Nice. Don't think I dare buy one, but I do always get excited when I found the car. You see, he's got one of these, because look how big he is. This is the size car that he needs. This one of these, very rare car, but don't think it is cheap, because I think it's the wrong price, because that is too low estimate. But that's an Aston Martin, believe it or not, everybody. It's actually a Toyota Aygo, but Aston Martin took over. IQ, sorry, it's corrected me. I've said about everything being underestimated. This, I think, is the most overestimated car here so far. 50 to 60 grand. But the panels don't line up. That nose doesn't look right. He's got the door open. Look at him. Getting in, going back to the future. Well, I do like a Defender, although I just don't understand the prices of them. I mean, this thing's from 1994. Left-hand drive. Another left hooker. Just the values of them all over the place. Don't understand them. Oh, I like it with the little soft back. That's nice. I'm not sure about the high lift. It does look a bit strange. So they tick a box. Pre-280 Brooklands. Ooh, RS 500. There's some proper dough. And these Escort cars with lovely wheels on that. Can't remember the name of the colour. I should remember the name of the colour of that. A Lotus. Nearly 100 grand that. I wonder if that's one of the ones that's been done by the people on the telly. No, it doesn't say. Told off my good friend Joseph. Focuses, he loves a Focus. That's nice. Imperial Blue. RS. Should be getting one of them really. And another RS, but a more modern one, don't understand them. But Joseph will. I mean, there's some money, aren't they? 80 to 90 grand. Although 71 miles doesn't mean you can use it. But I did go and buy one of these and test drove it. And to be fair, it did drive well, but they are 30 to 40 grand and still 30 to 40 grand. You don't see many of these, but I don't think I dare have one of them either. Lamborghini Jalpa with the rear wing. And for me personally, and I'm a 911 man, as you know, but a flat nose, flat bush, is that how you pronounce it? Just doesn't do it for me. And what a terrible colour combination, and yeah, that's not a bit. Monte Carlo Mark II here, I had one of these. Pleased to see what money they're doing. 20 odd grand, 25 grand. Mine was a Mark I, so I had the fixed rear buttresses, which means you can see nothing. Mine was left hooker, made it even more interesting. That Alpine looks very good value at 14 to 16 grand. That is for nothing. It's got to make more than that. These are definitely on the wish list. That in red, without the bumpers. Lovely. little junior.
Yeah, I like them.